Larry Stewart here with ForConstructionPros.com. I'm in a case booth at ConExpo ConAg 2017 with Carl Gustaf, who's president of CNH Industrial Construction Equipment, and Scott Harris, who's vice president of the Case brand in North America. The show's been going well, gentlemen, I understand. What are you hearing from contractors? Carl, what's impressed you about North American contractors' expectations for business this year?
I think, to start with on that level, I think if we compare to the ConExpo in 2014, I think, we see a significant increase in number of visitors here. So it's been very positive for us for the booth here. I think if we take, the impressions of the two first days, so we're into day 3 right now. So it's very nice. I think that the mood is positive. In this industry, I think our expectations of how the business would start this year has been aligned with what we said basically.
Scott, what are you hearing specifically? Are there any sectors or have you talked to any people from various regions that are reinforcing a positive message for the year?
Yeah, no, absolutely, and it's actually fairly widespread. We started to see some activity at the tail end of last year and finished the year 2016 pretty well.
Activity in terms of ordering, equipment ordering, or activity in terms of construction business?
Both, just inquiries and some in equipment sales and ordering, etc. And that momentum is really carried into the first part of this year. Okay. January and February have been quite good. Our order boards are quite strong compared to the previous several years. And we expect the quarter to finish quite good. But more specifically, the activity that we're hearing about from end users and with respect to regions and industries, we're seeing more activity in oil and gas. As those pricing has has come up and has stabilized somewhat. We'll see how that goes. The outlook, I think, is still a little bit uncertain on where we will settle in with gas and oil prices this year. But I would tell you there's absolutely cautious optimism that is actually materializing into equipment sales today,
right.
In oil and gas regions.
So it's not just election euphoria. This is coming down into people placing orders.
I absolutely would agree with that.
How significant is the development of connected technologies in the scope of an organization like CNH Industrial Construction Equipment in terms of revenue?
We clearly see the need from the customer. He wants this. He's asking for it, and we see it here on the show. We have our site watch, which we provide to our customer. But also, I think what we have done very successfully here in the U.S. is packaging the services around that thing. Like when the customer is buying a machine, he's not only buying the machine, he's buying, for example, the Pro Care, and the Pro Care is now developed to the Plus Care. And within that context, the whole connectivity will be a part of that thing. I think it's fair to say that.
Yeah, no, I absolutely do, and I think the revenue potential is extraordinary, and not for the technology itself, but what it provides to the end user and our customer with respect to productivity and efficiency, and that should translate to more equipment sales and better service through our dealer network. It's pulling that all together, and our ability to do so should make us a preferred provider of equipment to the end user. There's a lot of data that comes with these systems, and we need to be able to synthesize that into simple, easy to use, actionable data that actually benefits the end user.
Yeah.
And to the extent we're able to do that, it ties them again to our dealers and to our brand.